You have my permission to do anything you want with this video, documentary. I'm Native American Hopi. I gave this man permission. He does nothing, need no writing, no nothing. Anything that I say, call me, L.A. Hopi. Gave me permission.
All right, so what's your name?
My mother named me David Ferrer. That's my name my mother gave me at birth. But the years went by, I'm L.A. Hopi, the Hopi Blues Band. As I found out, I'm from the oldest civilization in North America. I am Sun Clan. The book Sun Chief on page 119, my grandmother was born. So that made me kind of historical with the Hopi people, and I became a blues artist. And in my blues world, I ran across a guy named Mojo Morganfield, his Muddy Waters' son. I contacted little Muddy, and he's like, hey, what you want to do? I said, well, I got a full blues band behind me. I'd love to take you on the road. He said, it's going to cost you with a contract. My manager sent him a contract. The rest was history. I did a show for Little Muddy back in January, and I cut a video on YouTube, and we put him in the video. I returned back after the tour. I got in touch with a guy named Guitarist and Leon Hendricks, Jimi Hendrix's brother, and I produced a show at the Mint Club, but I sold it out with Guitarist and Leon Hendricks. Now I actually manage Leon Hendricks. You know, what's up, Leon? Do something good with this. So I manage Leon Hendricks now. And now I'm going back to LA November 14th. You know the song called Come and Get Your Love? Well, I'm producing Redbone November 14th in LA for a Native American show. And I got myself on it and James. And then after that I'm going up north to Palomino Room. The Palomino Room, I'm playing there. The Torch, I'm playing Applejacks where the Grateful Dead started. And I can't remember other places.
I'm from Sacramento.
Oh. Well, I'll be up there, and
I know the Palomino and the Torch both.
Okay, I'll be at the Frog and Peach or something on the 16th, my birthday, and on the 15th, I believe I'm at the Palomino Room or something like that. I'm in Red Bluff too, or wherever.
Red Bluff.
Red Bluff, California.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, that's north of the Bay Area, about 150, 200 miles.
Yeah. So I got into music when I was a little boy. I love to tell this story. My mother was at Motown Records for 27 years. She was Barry Gordy's private secretary. So as we got money, we moved up. We moved into a white neighborhood, and I was the only colored boy living there. Well, he had like 19 Martin guitars in his house. So he looked at my eyes and said, one day this boy gonna break in my house. And guess what he did? He came up to me and said, hey. I said, yes, sir. He said, come over to my house. I said, you crazy? He said, no, come on over. I'm gonna teach you guitar. The rest was history. Jerry Stillward is just named the man that got me playing guitar. Old white man. I cry when I think about him. But wherever you're at, Jerry, I'm doing well. Thank you very much, sir, for saving my life.
Cool.
Real talk. I was on a bad road.
Something like that.
You heard a song called Twinkle Twinkle? Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Oh, yeah.
That's the Native American Hopi song. They stole it from us.
Yeah.
You want to hear how I go for real?
Absolutely. Yeah, listen.
Right. We'll play that later now.
Twinkle, twinkle.
We'll go see what you said, huh?
Twinkle, twinkle now, little star. Like a diamond. Like a diamond, yeah, feel like a diamond in the sky. Everybody knowing, everybody knowing now, twinkle be watching over. Come on now, twinkle, 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 na na na, little star.
All right.
Wild Man Tech, watch one of the best shows out. Wild Man Tech. Hopi Blues Band. If you have now in your life, come down to Texas. Yeah, now in your life, come down here. You better read what the sign said. Boy, you come down here. Better read what the sign said. Oh, you come down here. Now, if you haven't been drinking alcohol, boy, you've been up down Texas highway. Texas Ranger. Cause they all like them double keyway. No, you got cocaine in your pocket, boy. You'll never see home. You'll be locked up down there in Huntsville the same. Come on now, pick it up. Yeah, down here, life. Boy, yeah, what I've been taking. You better leave us down there. Boy, you coming out here. Boy, coming out here.
Lovely.
Man down, yeah, man. Man down. I'm a gambling man. I'm a gambling man. Man down, yeah, man. Man down. Babe, I can't make it. Back to the church, in time. In time. Baby, marry you. I'm going back down to Orleans. Second party night long. I'm going back down to Orleans. Driving 5 night long. Baby, I'm sorry, I gotta go.